The Level Up on Gagasi FM Drive.
Makhosi MaSikhakhane. Njani? Sishap kakhulu. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yosh!
Like, babes, today's hectic.
What's going on, sister?
Ever since you came in, she's like, I've never seen, so
Hectic babes, today's hectic day.
No, look again, Lilia.
Not really. I think Ubudila on my right has a lot of visitors today.
Okay.
You know, yeah, he's working with an entourage. Hence, I walked away a bit because the energy was like too strong. So, yeah.
Yes. Well, there's two of us on the right, so.
It's Frankie.
Yeah.
So you're saying I have visitors today?
Yeah, mainly there is a very strong male energy because when I walked into studio first, bengakwazi identify ukuthi uhamba nobani, and the reason I'm placing it next to you ngoba usememva kwakho manje, because when I walked in, the first thing he said when introducing himself was that he was to be respected. He's of royalty uzigode.
Yo.
So then he came and he stood behind you, so that how I could identify ukuthi kushuthi owakho uhamba nawe.
Ukuthi zikode phela ihlangane nami ngqondo.
Hayi kwavela ubaba ngawe lento. Okay, let's go.
Wow. Khuluma Makhosi.
It's not really anything major, but if I just am to respect him, ngidlulisa kushoyo. He's asking firstly, Guti, the person that you were born with, Upi, why aren't you paying homage and attention to that person? Secondly, Uti, your mind is just racing. You are hardly sleeping because and he can't even speak to you anymore. He can't come to you in your dreams. He understands there's a lot of frustration and anguish when it comes to your life personally, and when it comes to your career, Goda Uti, there is nothing for you to worry about because he's always been beside you and he always will be beside you. He even makes a confirmation uthi kimi yini indaba mangabe uhlele endlini noma uhamba uqalase ubheke ngoba endlini uhlezi ufeel ukuthi ngathi khona into engibuya khona into engihamba nayo, and he says it's not a dark spirit or energy kodwa uye osuke ehamba nawe ekubhekile. So much ukuthi he's saying ukuthi this year uma sidlula enyangeni yesithupha, meaning ukuthi from July going forward there are many opportunities financially that are coming for you in terms of you building your brand and standing on your own. You are not going to be the person that we know now, but you are going to be known on international platforms. But he wants you to take a chance because you tend to uzibukela phansi. I don't know if that's the right word, but you're not taking yourself seriously enough. You're not fighting enough for what you want. As a partner, you're very supportive. You're very loving. Listen, you could die for your partner. You could do anything. You literally could lay your body down for her to walk over. But at the same time, he's saying what you're doing your best. And nae, she's happy. Sometimes if there are conflicts, it's because of the nature of life, but not ngoba you are not doing your best as a partner. And you are moving into a transition of starting your own home. And you are blessed by your ancestors. Your relationship is validated, and what they like about your partner is that she is a fierce prayer warrior. So in everything that you've accomplished, she is praying for you and she is constantly standing behind you. She is the one. Okay, to abagin, of course, because of life you can choose someone else. If you walk away from her, it will only be disaster, because abagini bafuna yena ngenxa yobungcwele nokusondela noNkulunkulu anabo enhlizweni yakhe. And if she doesn't speak, it's not because she's pissed off, it's because she likes to analyze and listens to conversations before she responds.
She does. Oh my gosh, I felt that for you, Hizi. All right, let's go to the callers. Mofika ke emoyeni ngicela bandla uthi nje thokoza gogo or thokoza Makhosi. Don't say your name, don't say your problem, and then uMakhosi MaSikhakhane will take it away. So we've got the first caller, Unjan babes.
Yeah, President.
Sikhona ukulalela uMakhosi. Just say thokoza gogo and then she'll take it away.
Thokoza gogo.
Thokoza gogo ninjani?
Yeah, phela kahle.
Siyaphila. Okay, so empilweni yakho kuphakama amadlozi asekhabo mawakho namathonga asekhabo kababa wakho bakhona eduze kwakho, but they are coming across as abantu abathi how wena na uyasukuma uyahlola, because it doesn't seem like into that you particularly favor indaba yokuthi uhamba abantu uyohlola uzwe ngempilo yakho, and you're just testing the waters to see ukuthi ngempela are they going to tell you what's going on in your life. So this is where they want to start. Firstly, abantu abadala bathi mele wazi lapho ekusuka khona amandla akho nezibusiso zakho, meaning ukuthi amandla akho nezinhlanhla zakho come from your mother's side of the family. So bakusho lokho ngoba bafuna ukucorrecta inhliziyo yakho yokungancingi, bafuna ukucorrecta inhliziyo yakho yokuduba yokuthi you don't really need extended family, you don't really need certain people, you can do things on your own. Bacorrecta bathi ayikho lonto, ayikho into ongakwazi ukuyenza yedwa ngoba izibusiso zakho ziqala komalume, ziqala kumama okuzalayo. And the reason for that kakhulu is because your mom had a spiritual gift and calling. Umuntu okwazi ukuboniswa iphuphiswa kakhulu amanzi, of which now that is something ezowa kwena, but mangaba idlozi liwa kwena, unfortunately liwa kwena ngezigulo, because uzoba nenkinga yokuphathwa isinya ibhobo and uzoba nenkinga yokuphathwa yikhanda so much ukuthi you will not be able to progress academically as much as you would. Uzozazi ukuthi uhlakaniphile kodwa izinto zingenzeki. Now the last thing is that abageni seem to be keeping you from having a fruitful connection in relationships. You are going to feel the sensation of love. Someone is going to love you and be with you long term. Kodwa uzongafuna ukconnecta naye physical. You will feel no attraction to that person whatsoever. Now, I'm also seeing ukuthi ebusuku mawulele you are biting your teeth. Uyahlafuna kakhulu so much ukuthi you're going to start you're going to start harming yourself on the inner jaw on the left. And this is because ebusuku I'm seeing that there are spirits akuvakashelayo akudlisayo. That is why you're also experiencing pain esifubeni so much like umuntu ophethwe ama-ulcer. Now, you're also starting to develop a mild itch on your chin and on your forehead. Sekungathi manje ufuna uqalwa i-acne kanti nakhona kuvela ukuthi isimo sesichitho. Now, but again, you might not believe 100% entweni zesintu, but they're not saying ukuthi fanele uhambe uyongena entweni zomngoma. But remember the spiritual ability that you are born with, meaning isithunywa leso zalwe naso ukuthi you need to pay homage to that. You need to listen to the inner voices, because people say you talk to yourself. People say you get easily irritated because awuhambi wedwa, you're constantly speaking to those that walk with you. Zoma lapho gogo.
Is everything making sense?
Yes, it does.
It does, ne? There's no follow-up question that you have. U happy, ne?
Yeah, I am happy.
All right, thank you so much. Let's move on. Gagasi FM ngicela bandla uthi khulume nje no Makhosi directly uthi nje thokoza gogo awubuza umbuzo awusho igama lakho.
So, thokoza gogo.
Thokoza.
Yosh!
Ninjani?
Siyaphila njani gogo?
Sikhona.
Yosh!
Kuphakama omkhulu bakho basekhabo babo wakho, kuphinde kuphakama futhi izalukwazi zakomalume bakho. Bathi angiqale ngicacise le ndaba kuwena. Bathi noma izinto zinganzima zinganjani ekhaya, kodwa impilo yokuthi uphume uyohlala emqashweni abayithandi. Amathonga kina wafuna umuntu ozophuma ekhaya engakagani ethi uyozihlalela yena emqashweni ngoba ethi ufuna ukuzilawula. Bathi abantu abadala unakho ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ufuna ukuthi izinto zenzeke ngendlela yakho nangesikhathi sakho, ungafuni ukulalela. Ubone ngathi abantu uma bekukhuza bakcriticize abalwa nawe, kanti lithi thonga usuke ushape ukuthi nawe ube umntwana ozoma ngendlela. Bathi abakini asidlulise la futhi ngizoyisho ngendlela yobunona, indlela abasho ngayo. Bathi abasafuni lutho olihlangene nawe nokuthandana nokujola. Bathi awume kancane in anything that is physical. Awubheka uNkulunkulu, awubheka impilo yakho. You are not going to get an answer by constantly thinking ukuthi a relationship is going to solve it, because ibona sebezokwenza ngamabomu ukuthi ke manje othandweni umuntu ozale naye avela kuvove akugile abe umuntu ozokuthuka ngisho nangenhlamba uqobo alwe nawe abe nomsindo angakwenzeli lutho, angaphuma kwena yokwenzela umunye umuntu kodwa wena angacabanga idingo zakho. Bathi kabadala ngoba indlela yabo yokuthi bayakubuyisa ekhaya ukuthi yenza izinto ezifunakalayo ekhaya. Now kuvuka kakhulu kisalukwazi zakomalume kama wakho njenganabantu abathi babheka impilo yakho, bathi kuze impilo yakho iqonde kumele ukuthi ke ubuye ucele ukwenzelwa impheleko komalume ukuze kwazi ukuthi nemisebenzi ihlala isustaineke, izinto zenzeke ngendlela, because ayikho into yakho ezolasta isikhathi eside. Umsebenzi ungawuthola kuzobe wena ofikele inhliziyo ukuthi ungawushiya phansi uyeke. Bathi kabakini kodwa futhi nalo indiki likhona ngoba akulaka akumona akumsindo khona kuwena, unenhliziyo ebamba yawushesha ukuxolela, unolaka into engapheli. Bathi funda ukuhlehla uxolele udlule ukuze izinto zakho zikwazi ukulunga. Bathi nawe mawusuthi ulungisa isimo sendiki sobheka ukuthi emalini ikhona yini, ngoba futhi uzokhala ngemali ukuthi ayikho. Bathi kulungile ungahamba uyiguqule lento udla inkamba bese uzoziphothula ngeqhude libovu nenkukhu emhlophe bese usucela bakomalume ukuthi bakukhunge ngo100 lokho kubona zobe sekufana ukuthi yimbuzi ezimbili eziphelele. Kodwa makuphela isikhathi sebekuvela umsebenzi ozoletha amandla ukuthi wenze futhi ugcine lokho kufunwa yibona sengivala. Bathi kabantu abadala kumele ukuthi kulungise futhi isimo sento egijima phakathi kwena esinyeni efika icindezele enkabeni ngoba it is not natural, kodwa yinto owayeqa, ingakho usunenkinga kunyawo lakho la ka right. Ngizoma lapha
Yo.
Amen.
Ngiyazwakala ne anonymous.
Ngiyezwa kodwa ngilahlekela lapha lo yembeleko because angisenabo abazali.
Oh bakithi.
imbeleko ke sithandwa it's something that you can do on your own. Masikaxhumane eceleni, I'll tell you what to do, because if amandla embuzi nje abeshe bethi amandla embuzi awekho, I'll tell you what to do doing it ngeinkukhu. Kumele inkukhu ingekho futhi siyakwazi ukwenza ngensipho. Yayazi insipho kwasha powder soap. Sikwenze ngensipho, sikwenze futhi nangamakhandlela. I'll teach you how to do it uzongifonela eceleni.
My goodness.
All
My
the best.
goodness. I love you. I love you. I love her. Oh my gosh.
She's amazing.
Oh my gosh. Anyway, unfortunately it's just shy and
She's amazing.
I'm telling you. Okay, Makhosi MaSikhakhane ufuna ukukhuluma naye, ufuna ukuconsulta and xotha le number down 060
Ngicela sishintshe sorry, it's the other one. It's 078-126-0066, 078-126-0066.
All right, thank you for that. So updates next week or the other week. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much, and just to let people know, we are back to seeing abantu face to face ekhaya kaGesibuso.
Great
Nice
stuff. All right.
Thank you so much.
The level up, guys.
Gagasi FM.